Oh, I can't. Oh, so it's coming out good. I think I'm gonna take it out of the oven. It's like diarrhea. Oh, it looks like diarrhea. I'm not gonna Oh. Yep. Good enough for me for cooking fucking crumbs.